In this video, I will be showing you how to fix a leaking shower. First of all, remove the outside cap using a knife. This is what the shower looks like when the valve is closed. Notice how fast it is running even though the water pressure is very low. Don't forget to shut off water supply to the bathroom before dismantling. In almost every case, simply replacing the damaged or missing washer will be enough to fix the problem. I will, however, change the entire stem because it is damaged. Next is to unscrew the bonnet and remove it along with the stem from the old valve. The rubber washer is missing from the old valve, which is the cause of the leak. This is mainly a result of over-tightening. It is very important to use the same type of valve and fittings when replacing an old valve. Different design may result in incompatibility issues. Even in this scenario, the valve designs are different. I removed the bonnet from the new valve and replaced it with the bonnet from the old valve. You also have to pay close attention to the seating area. If it is badly damaged, meaning there are cuts along its surface, then this could result in leaks. In some cases, it can be corrected. However, if the damage is severe, then you will have to replace the entire valve body. If the valve stem is missing a washer and screw, which may have been lost inside, you can check to see if you find it. Otherwise, turn on the water source to try removing them from the pipe. If the water pressure is high enough, then this will flush the system.